Hello, this is Claude, and today I'm going to do a quick video for unboxing the keyboard K70 LUX RGB with the mechanical brown switches. The reason why I'm doing this is because I've YouTubed it, I've searched for reviews. There are some reviews, but unboxing and reviews for this specific keyboard, there aren't too many, so this is why I decided to do it. So out of the gate, this is a typical Corsair. That's the box right here. I'm not gonna go through all the details. Maybe in the back, usually they tell something special. RGB, obviously, it's got the new fonts of the K70. Have the old one, the original K70 RGB. Liked it a lot, but I like these new fonts better. They're bigger. You're gonna have better illumination. I'm an RGB brown switch kind of guy, so I'm gonna see the difference with this one. I'm gonna try to show between the Rocat the difference in the sound. I've got the brown switches on the Rocat keyboard too. I love to have the sound bar there, the volume rocker on and off. That's good. USB pass through. I like it. The BIOS switch in the back, always convenient. So this is what it is. Detachable rest wrist. When you play your game, for example CS:GO, you don't want to have that rest wrist over there that's taking too much space and you bump your mouse into it. So I like to be able to remove that. So that's a good combination there. So let's see what we have in the box right here. Let's open that baby here. Anyway, so that's the K70 RGB LUX. That's the box right here. Not very okay, so you got the keyboard here, you got the replacement keys, WASD, and some of the other common keys here. I like that they put the little key puller. Logitech for the G810, they don't have that, so I think that's basic. They should have had this, but they don't. Let's go see here. Warranty guide, a little instruction booklet here, whatever that is. All right, out of the way. Remove the cable from there. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Obviously, the rest wrist. Let's remove that. Get out of the way. That's the rest wrist. It's got the rubbery feel to it. So it's good. It's nice and it's not too sticky, but it's rubbery enough. I like that. That's the cable, more or less. So one is for the keyboard itself and one is for the power. So that's it. Obviously it's a braided cable. I like that. Let's open that baby here and go straight for the sound that it makes. You know, aluminum. Logitech G810 is plastic. Didn't like that, so remove that thing here. Trash can. So let's see this here. So you got the switch over, nice feel to do the volume up and down. So let's go see the sound it makes. Let's compare with the Rocat, the brown switches. And now this is my live keyboard. Hopefully I'm not gonna screw anything up here. A little more, clicky sound on this one, but it's a nice sound. I like it. So that's what it is. Let's see the under the keyboard here. You got the feet here. The G810's got more options though, but still very good. Here to lift this up in the front. All right, I don't know what. So I like this. It's got a smaller footprint than my Rocat by a lot. And the rest of what I intend to do is take that thing at about 3M on Amazon. Put this here. That's gonna be very comfortable. I'm gonna put, instead of this, I'm rather having that. So basically that is the unboxing of that Corsair K70 RGB. I'm not going to do the light and the software and all that. There are some videos about that. There was just no unboxing and seeing the sound of this keyboard. So that's what it is. So maybe it's going to help you into your research to do the purchase of a new keyboard.